In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Turtle Beach Stealth 600 not connecting to PS5. Now I have the official instruction from a moderator here on Turtle Beach. Basically, when this happens, the first thing that you want to do is to open up the Turtle Beach Audio Hub application on your Windows computer or Mac computer. You want to start the process with the headset powered off. You can get the Audio Hub from their official website, which is going to be turtlebeach.com pages-audio hub. You can just search it up on Google to make things easier. From there, we then want to make sure that the headset is still powered off. Connect our transmitter to an open USB port on our PC or laptop, and then connect a small end of the USB cable to the headset's USB-C port. From there, we then want to hold down the mode button while connecting the other end of the USB cable into our computer USB port. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because we are simply updating the driver of our headset, making sure that it's compatible with the latest version of PlayStation 5's. The Audio Hub will then prompt us to update our headset. Now, I've already mentioned this. If the Audio Hub does not prompt you to update, you want to please try steps 2 and 4 again, which is going to be make sure that the headset is powered off and connect the small end of the USB cable to the headset's USB-C port. After doing that, we then want to reconnect our transmitter to our console and attempt to power on the headset like we normally would. And from there, this would simply help us fix the problem. Once again, this is coming from the official moderators from the Turtle Beach Reddit right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.